We have the terminal text editors. Throughout the series so far, we have only stored text in files using a combination of echo commands and the pipe operators, greater than and double greater than signs. This isn't an efficient way to handle data when you're working with files with multiple lines and the sorts. Introducing terminal text editors. Let's connect to SSH. 224 and 107. Yes. TryHackMe. Awesome, we have a connection. Let's expand it and let's clear this. And let's move on. Introducing to terminal text editors. There are a few options that you can use with a variety of friendliness and utility. This task is going to introduce you to Nano, but also show you an alternative named Vim, which TryHackMe has a room dedicated to. Nano. It is easy to get started with Nano. To create or edit a file using Nano, we simply use Nano file name, replacing file name with the name of the file you wish to enter. We see here an example, Nano my file, and it was created my file. Here we have all the commands that we can use inside our file in order to write text, search something, cut text, and so on. Once we press enter to execute the command, Nano will launch, where we can just begin to start entering or modifying our text. You can navigate each line using the up and down arrow keys or start a new line using the enter key on your keyboard. We can see it here. It's just entered text, enter, then press enter to space, again text, enter. Nano has a few features that are easy to remember and covers the most general things you would want out of a text editor, including searching for text, copying and pasting, jumping to a line number, finding out what line number you are on. You can use these features by Nano by pressing the Control key, which is presented as this symbol on Linux, and the corresponding letter. For example, to exit, we would want to press Ctrl and X to exit Nano. Vim is much more advanced text editor. While you're not expected to know all of advanced features, it's helpful to mention it for powering up your Linux skills. Some of Vim benefits, albeit taking a much longer time to become familiar with, includes customizable. You can modify the keyboard shortcuts to be of your choosing. Syntax highlighting. This is useful if you are writing or maintaining code, making it a popular choice for software developers. Vim works on all terminals where Nano may not be installed. There are a lot of resources such as cheat sheet, tutorials, and the sorts available to use. You can see here a lot of commands you can use inside Vim. TryHackMe has a room showcasing Vim. If you wish to learn more about this editor, yes, we'll do that. Answer the questions below. Create a file using Nano. All right. Nano, my first file. All right. Edit task 3 located in TryHackMe homepage using Nano. What is the flag? All right. Let's exit this. Control X. Let's list task 3. We see it. And we say Nano task 3. We go inside it. And we also see the flag that is inside. We see the flag that's inside. Let me see if I copy like that. Oh yeah, it works. Perfect.